In this particular question, we have an experiment in which we are tossing a coin n times. So the total number of times we are doing experiment is n. And here px equal 4 probability of getting exactly 4 heads out of n times. It means probability of getting 5 heads out of n tosses, and it means probability of getting 6 heads exactly out of n times. And we have to find out the value of n if px equal 4, px equal 5, px equal 6 are in arithmetic progression. So first of all, we should go for find out value of this, this and this. What is the value of this? This can be equal to, if we want exactly 4 head out of n times, then we can write this as nc4 half power 4 half power n minus 4, as probability of head can be written as 1 by 2, and also equal to probability of tail. In the similar manner, we can write nc5 half power 5 half power n minus 5, and similarly nc6 half power 6 half power n minus 6. So as we can see, all of them are already written. Now if px equal 4, px equal 5, px equal 6 are in AP, arithmetic progression, then we can write 2 times px equal 5, px equal 4 plus px equal 6. This can be written as twice of nc5 half power n, nc4 half power n, and also nc6 half power n, because the total power in each of them we are getting as total as n. So this can be written as 2 times nc5 equal nc4 and nc6. Here we cancelled half power n from each term. Now we have this equation. In order to solve this, simply we have 2 times equal to nc4 upon nc5 we can divide, and nc6 divided by nc5. Now we have a property in binomial theorem that ncr upon ncr minus 1 can be written as n minus r plus 1 divided by r. With the help of this property, we can write this equation as 2 equal n minus 5 plus 1 5 plus n minus 6 plus 1 upon 6, 2 equal 5 upon n minus 4, n minus 5 upon 6. If we solve this equation, we can get n equal to 14 in given options. We have 2 different values of n. By solving this equation, out of them only n equal to 14 is given in the option. So the correct answer is n equal to 14.